Two men exert forces of F, dito. Two men exert forces of F equals to 80 pounds, ito, and P equals to 50 pounds, ito, on the rope. So, determine the moment of force about point A. Ito yung point A. Determine the moment of a force about point A. So, may tanong din dito. Which way will the pole rotate? Clockwise or counterclockwise? Okay, so going back, i-apply pa rin natin yung concept ng moment, which is F times the perpendicular distance niya. Tapos, yung assumption natin dito is magiging positive yung mga clockwise moments, tapos negative yung magiging counterclockwise moments. So, sige. Without further ado, let's start, no? So, yung F natin dito is magkano? 80 pounds. At ito. Yung F natin dito is 80 pounds to. Equals 80 pounds. Tapos, yung P natin is magiging 50 pounds. Saan ko ba ilalagay dito? 50, ito to, 50 pounds. Ayan. So, next step, hanapin natin yung mga perpendicular distances nila from point A. Tandaan na ito yung pivot point natin. Okay? Ito yung pivot point. Yan. See? So, dyan magmumula. So, upon checking here, your F is naka diagonal, which means meron siyang horizontal, tapos meron siyang vertical component. So, 80, yung horizontal niya is magiging 80. So, meron tayo ditong, ano tawag dito? Ratio. So horizontal 80 is magiging 4/5 yan, di ba? 80, 4/5, yan. Tapos, yung kabila, yung vertical ng F80 is magiging 80 times 3/5. Okay, then sa kabila is same rin. Meron ding vertical forces na downward, tapos meron ding horizontal forces na dito. So ito magiging, since 45 degrees to, so kung anong angle dito is magiging angle din dito. Correct? So, since yung angle natin is with the horizontal, so this will be 50 cosine or sine. So, cosine, no? So, cosine 45 degrees. Tapos, yung vertical natin is magiging 50 sine 45 degrees. Okay? So, next step, i-check natin yung mga perpendicular distances. So, si 80, yung vertical component ng 80, which is yung 80 times 3/5 is magiging makakancel yan, di ba? Kasi, the line of action of that vertical one is nandyan sa A, patungong A. A, the same din rito sa 50 sine 45. Patungong A yan, patungong A. So, kakancel yung dalawang forces natin dito. Ang matitira is yung respective horizontal forces nila dalawa. Okay? Yan yung nabilin. Yan. Okay? So, pili ka na maka-moment kasi meron naman mga perpendicular distances sila, no? So, moment or the summation moment about point A is equals to 0. Then, yung mga clockwise moments natin is positive. Then, yung counterclockwise natin is negative. So, moment at A, upon checking here, 80 times 4/5 is, nasan yung perpendicular distance siya? Yung 12. So, ito yung 12. Okay? Tapos, yung 50 is meron siyang perpendicular distance from A na 12. Ito, 12. Tapos, yung 6, di ba? So, plus or minus. So, magiging minus na kita since yung 50 cosine 45 is magre-rotate siya ng counterclockwise sa point A. So, minus 50 cosine 45 degrees times 12 plus 6 na kanyang moment arm. So, which means the moment at A, so pwede mo na solve. Yan. So, 80 times 4 over 5 times 12 minus 50 cosine 45 times 12 plus 6, no? Equals, so 131.604. Tama ba? Tama ba, no? Tama? 12 plus 6, so okay, tama tayo. So 80 times 4 times 5, so magiging 131.604. So 131.604 ba yun? Tama? Okay, 604. Ano yung unit? Since naka-pounds, pounds and feet. So, since positive naman siya, so it means clockwise yung ating direction. Okay, so ang sagot sa tanong is which way the pole rotate, clockwise or clockwise? So, yung sagot dito, the answer is clockwise. Yan. Clockwise. Kasi positive nga, no? So, clockwise.